Hi, this is Jeff. I'm the founder of the Virtual EMDR Eye Movement Therapy Program. In this video, I'm going to show you some specific tips and tricks that you can utilize when using the Virtual EMDR Eye Movement Tool software that will help you get the best possible results from your sessions. Before we get started, I'm going to quickly go over what EMDR is and how it's used. EMDR stands for Eye Movement Desensitization and Reprocessing. It's a therapy approach that's been used by millions of people around the world for things like PTSD, anxiety, depression, grief and loss, and even addictions. I own a company called VirtualEMDR, which is an online EMDR program that you can use at home without needing a therapist to assist you. All you need is a screen and some headphones. So let's get to the tips. First, when you're working on desensitizing your negative memories, which is called targeting in EMDR, it can be very helpful to make the eye movement tool software so it goes faster and also increase the volume so it is louder in your ears. You can adjust both of these settings in the eye movement tool menu. Also, when you're desensitizing your negative emotions, it can be helpful to select an audio tone that is less pleasant to listen to and sounds more jarring in your ears. If you're feeling stuck, another tip is to change the pattern and visual stimulus during your session. Horizontal is standard and works for almost every situation, but if you're feeling stuck and not able to work through something, go ahead and try the figure 8 or diagonal patterns to see if it helps you unlock your memories more. Lastly, when you're working through installation, meaning using EMDR with positive or empowering thoughts, go ahead and change the audio tone to something more pleasant and slow down the speed at which the visual stimulation is moving. This will help to calm your mind significantly. You can even choose a different background pattern and circle size than the one you were using earlier during desensitization. If you're looking for more specific information on how to use the different functions of the EMDR Eye Movement Tool software, I'm linking a video below in the comments. I say this in every video, but it's really important. Follow the instructions, do the steps in each session, answer all the questions. The program has been designed by therapists, and you will only get the ideal results if you do the program as it was created. Don't cut corners. It'd be helpful to us if you would click the like button and subscribe below. And if you have a specific question that you would like me to answer in a future video, please leave it in the comments below, and I promise we will get back to you. Thank you for watching.